Welcome to our newest listing at 12 Balsam Drive, right here in Wilbraham, Massachusetts.
Come with us and let's go take a look inside.
This premier luxury condo is a desirable end unit which includes 3 bedrooms with an open floor plan, gas fireplace, 3-season porch, and a 2-car garage. The main level features a stunning first floor master with incredible trophy ensuite, including an oversized walk-in shower, LED backlit mirror, 2 walk-in closets, and a fully updated kitchen with quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. In the lower level, you'll find a finished basement with family room, plenty of storage, and a unique craft room or workshop. Live maintenance-free in the hottest community in Wilbraham. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by.
We'll see you at the next one.